Micro business, but you have no idea where to start or how much money you'll need to try it. Angela Ford started her first small business at the age of 18, and ever since she's grown in the world of fashion, set design, and consulting.
Her book is called Making a Micro Business, the Bootstrapper's Checklist of 78 Action Items for Your Startup. Good morning.
Good morning.
So what's the biggest mistake people make when they're trying to start? I think maybe people automatically think big. I want this to be big, but you say you want to call it a micro business. Start small.
Yes, you absolutely want to start small. I think the biggest mistake people make is seeking out huge capital investment or venture capitalists when they're still in the idea stage. Mm-hmm. They really should test the market and see if this is a product people really want to buy.
Okay. You have a couple of theories. What are they?
Well, let's get through some specifics from your book here.
Yeah.
So we want to hear first about the kitchen cabinet. Tell us about that.
The kitchen cabinet is actually a term started by Andrew Jackson. When the president, Andrew Jackson, when he would have most of his advisors come over to the White House and meet in the kitchen to discuss policy and such. So I say every small business owner should have a group of informal friends that are entrepreneurs to give them sage advice. Most people turn to their family, but your family really isn't a small business owner. They're people that love you and want you to just get a job.
Right.
And a lot of business guys say like a lot of the best ideas happen on the golf course and not necessarily in the boardroom, so it kind of plays off of that as well.
Absolutely. If they know who you are and they also own small businesses, the advice you get will be practical and actionable.
Okay, and now you also talk about the $1 car wash model. What should people know about that?
You know what? That's what I did. I actually thought if I get into the marketplace and I just underprice everybody, I'll get all of the business and eventually I could raise the price. And that's a mistake. In fact, a $1 car wash, no luxury car owner is going to bring their car to a $1 car wash. And then somebody who